Let's see how to turn off auto capitalization in Microsoft Word. First off, you want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see here, we have our document ready. Now you'll notice that whenever you type something into Microsoft Word, it will always capitalize the first letter of that sentence or that word. Now, for example, let's go in and type some random words. You'll notice that they are all capitalized on their first letter. And that is because Microsoft Word is set to default with this feature. Now, there may be some times where you'll want to disable this feature. And to do that, simply head on over to the File tab. Now, click on Options. And right here, click on Proofing. And click on Autocorrect Options, which will open up a new window. Now, on Autocorrect, make sure that you uncheck this box, capitalize the first letter of sentences. Now click OK twice. And now, whenever you type something, you'll notice that it no longer capitalizes the first letter of that sentence. I hope this helps, and I will see you soon.